Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. This is HypeRate Music Matcher. It's a free web tool that connects directly to your HypeRate heart rate data and automatically switches your Apple Music playlist based on your live BPM. You set up zones, easy, medium, hard, whatever makes sense for your stream. You assign a playlist to each zone. And then you just stream. The music does the rest. Your BPM hits 117. Boom. Hard zone kicks in. Heavy playlist starts playing. You cool down to 80. It fades right into your chill recovery mix. No touching the computer. No awkward silence. The setup takes literally 2 minutes. Just head to musicmatcher.hyperate.io. Hit enable. Log in with Apple Music. Load your playlists. Just drag your playlist onto the zones. Done. Enter your HypeRate ID up top. Hit connect, and the moment your heart rate moves into a new zone, your music switches automatically with a smooth crossfade. No jarring cuts, no dead air. Oh, and if you run OBS, there's a built-in overlay that shows your now playing track and heart rate graph right on stream. Your viewers see exactly what's fueling your stream. There's also a Stream Deck plugin if you prefer physical control, skip, pause, or even lock a specific zone manually. And if you notice your heart rate keeps bouncing between two zones at the same BPM, just turn on Auto Adjust. It automatically shifts the zone boundaries based on your real streaming patterns. The more you use it, the smarter your setup becomes. If you're into smart stream setups, you'll like what's coming next. Stick around, and I'll see you in the next video.